Most people think applying a decal is a simple peel and stick process, which it can be with smaller sized decals. Larger sized decals, however, can be a bit trickier to install. That's why we suggest using the wet application method so you can be sure your decal is secure and will last. Start with a spray bottle of Sticky Life adhesive remover fluid. Spray the adhesive remover fluid continuously over the old decal, allowing it to soak in well. Then, using a sharp-edged scraper tool, scrape off the old decal from the surface. Clean off as much of the remaining adhesive residue from the surface as possible where the old decal was installed. Our Sticky Life preparation fluid acts as a cleaner and degreaser and helps prepare the surface for your new decal. Double check your decal against your planned space to get an idea of where exactly you want to install it and adjust for alignment if necessary. Slowly and carefully remove the backing paper from your decal, making sure the decal itself is firmly stuck to the transfer tape. Spray your surface and the back of your decal with our Sticky Life application fluid. Saturate both areas as much as possible to give you the most ease of movement. You also want to saturate the transfer tape after you apply the decal to make it easier to remove once dried. Once you have your decal in place, use a flat edge or a squeegee to remove the excess application fluid from behind the decal and transfer tape on the application surface. It's best to let your decal sit for at least half an hour before removing the transfer tape to make sure it's completely adhered to your surface. For best results, let it dry overnight. After your decal has dried, it's time to remove the transfer tape. You want to pull away at a low angle to help prevent your decal from coming away from the surface. If it does start to come away, use a squeegee or straight edge tool to reflatten the transfer tape and try again. Slowly remove the transfer tape from your applied surface and clean up any remaining application fluid, and you're done. Your decal is ready to go.